Solving a Rubik's Cube takes a big brain. So does solving one about a third of the size. The world's smallest version of the Rubik's Cube puts thimble-sized fun at your fingertips. Despite its puny dimensions, the cube still packs in the same 43 quintillion permutations of the regular cube. It's so small, you might just need some tiny hands to solve it. Or better yet, find creative ways to complete the puzzle.
Lately, I've really been into puzzles, and actually the word puzzle... Hey.
I was a mathlete in college.
Marry me.
Buy this pocket-sized challenge and shop for hundreds more gifts at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.
For a bigger puzzle and a bigger challenge, tap here. Or tap here for something you'll love. To get your own mini cube, tap here.
Is that an equilateral triangle?